Hyundai Sonata. Brand spanky new. I'll show you. It is definitely a Sonata. We're going to show you how to do the wipers. Looks like it's pretty easy. We got fingernails. Check. Lever. Upward. Pull. Up and out. Do not let go of this. It will smash the windshield. Don't do that. Switch it. Put it back in. Slide down. That's the driver's side. And let's go to the passenger side. Should be the same thing. We're going to do the same thing and pull. Slide up. It should pop right out. There you go. Don't let go of it. Remember that. Switch them with the new one. Same thing. Push it back down. Slide it back to lock it. And there you have it. So I'm going to measure these things just to make sure. And 1 sec. All right. So we've got, say, 26. And let's go see what the passenger side is. This is a new thing for me because I don't know how to use a tape measure. This is not 8 inches. This looks like more of a 16. So let's move it. That looks like an 18. So I'll put the link in the description. There you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.